Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2024 Ram 1500 stock number 6714. This ran from the 10th 2020 to the current shape. It has a DT 5.7 litre V8 petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a 5.7 litre V8 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, slight bend in the right hand corner, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,